What's up, guys? So, just got this package in the mail. It's the IRP short shifter for my Mazda Miata. It's a race short shifter. It reduces the throw by 60%. So I'm basically just going to be doing the unboxing part of it now, and later on in the video we'll do the install. Got a pretty cool sticker out of it. Some more stickers, supplied hardware. Alright, let's dive into these goodies. So they came with the supplied bolts. Alright, so this is the dust shield. So when you're installing it, you're going to be losing your whole entire shifter boot. So it comes with a brand new bracket and a little cover for it to keep the dust out and out of the cabin. Because you'll be losing your boot for your standard shifter. As I said, pretty cool stickers. Honestly, the Burstcraft one's my favorite so far. That's a pretty cool sticker. Now let's dive into the main attraction of this whole part. Oh man. This thing is wild. So this race shifter reduces your throw by 60%. It's a super short throw, and right now I'm adjusting the little adjustment screws on it that affect the horizontal play in it right now. Super simple install from what I read. It's just 3 bolts to put it back on, 4 bolts to put the shield on, and that's pretty much it. It slides in and out. So yeah, that's the throw basically. So just imagine first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and reverse. Neutral, but we'll see this thing in action when I do the install video, which will be pretty soon here. I'll probably include it in the same video, to be honest. But this is super awesome. Just holding it, super comfortable, super ergonomic, and it just looks pristine for how much I paid for it. I'm just simply amazed by it, honestly. Like, it's built so well. Like, I'm not even using it yet, and I can tell it's built so well. Everything's made out of quality parts. It feels solid. It's not even too heavy. But yeah, we'll talk about it more after I do the install and we do the first test drive with it. So this is it's the IRP shifter for the Mazda Miata 5-speed. You can find it at burstcraft.com. I'll leave the link in the description in the below so you guys can go buy it. I believe I paid roughly $519 after shipping for it, but honestly, for like a race short throw, I can't complain about it.
We got the IRP shifter all installed right now.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, boy.
Sick.
Okay.
Oh god, that's so short.
Oh.
Do a little downshift. That's sick.
I'm driving a brand new car. This shifter changed the whole car. Totally worth $519, ladies and gentlemen.
So 10 out of 10 would recommend.
To any track racer, to be honest. Because Miata throws are super short as it is. Alright. Let's do a racer merge. If I catch up to Wes. Oh, I have to anyways. Here we go, boys. So it's about, what, 1 a.m., Nate? We're in his basement, just editing videos for you guys, watching just some SEMA footage. But all in all, that IRP shifter, probably one of the best investments so far. He wants one now, because I let him drive it. You'll see it in his vlog. I'll put his channel in the description below. Give him a follow, give me a follow, and I'll catch you guys later.